Good morning, class. Now, today I'm going to take your revision test again of English literature. Today I'm going to take the revision test of chapter 12, that is Ravi and the Weeping Princess, part 1. Now, Ravi and the Weeping Princess, part 1 of word meaning and answer the following questions. In this revision test, I have given you 5 word meanings and 4 question and answer. You have to write the answer of all the 4 questions and the answer of all the 5 word meanings which I have given you. Now before starting the revision test, revision 3, let us go through a quick summary or a short summary of chapter Ravi and the Weeping Princess, part 1, so that it will be clear to all of you. Now in the chapter Ravi and the Weeping Princess, part 1, when Ravi was waiting for his friend Ashok so that he would visit him on Sunday and they will play football, and it was raining very heavily, and Uncle Mike came there. Uncle Mike, who was Ravi's father, old friend, came with a gift, with a present, and he was having a brown packet in his hand, in which there was a metal box and an old colorful album, which Uncle Mike was having in his hand, and he had gifted that old colorful album to Ravi. In that there was the 100 of stamps which were there of different countries. Now, when Uncle Mike gave that colorful album to Ravi, he started telling the story that how he loved to collect the stamps and how he could not get it to his children because they have all grown up now and they all have gone to abroad. They haven't given it to so because of that he haven't given it to his own children. He was gifting it to Ravi. After giving it to Ravi, when he sat for eating the dosa, he told all the stories about the stamp of Prince Elizabeth, about the weeping princess who was having a mark of tear under his eyes. He was telling all the stories to Ravi, and Uncle Mike had the dosa at that time. When the story has ended, Uncle Mike went to Ravi's father to meet him. And after that, Ravi was very happy. After meeting Ravi's father, Uncle Mike went away. Till this, we have read the story of Ravi and the Weeping Princess, part 1. Now, let us begin with the revision 3 of chapter 12 in our notebooks. Now, let us begin with the revision test in our notebooks. Open to a fresh page where you have ended the syllabus. Open the page after next to that. Now, first of all, what you all are going to do is put today's date, classwork, revision 3, chapter 12, Ravi and the Weeping Princess, part 1. Now, after writing this, you have to fill the index also. Now, the first question which I have given to you in revision is word meaning. I have given you 5 words over here. You have to write the meaning of that 5 words. You don't have to write it like this way. You have to continue it one after the other in a serial way. Now, first one is delicious. After writing this word, you have to write the meaning over here. Second word, keen. Third word, rare. Fourth, shaft. Fifth, Austin. Now, first word is delicious. Second, keen. Third, rare. Fourth, shaft. And fifth one is Austin. You have to write the meaning of all these 5 words. After writing the word meanings, form a line at the end and move to question 2. Question 2 is answer the following questions. I have given you 4 questions over here. You have to write the answer of all these 4 questions. Now, second question is answer the following questions. Now, let us begin. First question is where was Uncle Mike's own children? I have already told you a short summary of Ravi and the Weeping Princess, part 1. Now, you have to tell Where were Uncle Mike's own children? Second question is, what was the first postage stamp called? You have to tell the name of the first postage stamp. Third question is, did Uncle Mike like dosa? How do we know? You have to tell whether Uncle Mike loved dosa or not. You have to tell it. How do you know that he liked dosa? Fourth question is, what was Uncle Mike present to Ravi? What did Uncle Mike presented to Ravi as a gift? Now, let me repeat the questions once again. Question 1 is, where was Uncle Mike own children? Second one is, what was the first postage stamp called? Question 3rd is, did Uncle Mike like dosa? How do we know? Question 4th is, what was Uncle Mike present to Ravi? Now, what you all have to do is, after writing first question, you have to write the answer of that. After writing the second question, you have to write the answer of second question. You have to continue it in the same way. At the end, form a line at the end which will show that revision 3 have ended. Now, what you all have to do is, homework for you all is to, you have to learn the word meanings and question and answer of Ravi and the Weeping Princess part 2 in your homework. Thank you.